Students, welcome back to another class of English Class 8. Today, in this module, we're going to see English writing skill, and in that, we'll see expansion of themes and story writing. So, what is expansion of themes? Expansion of themes is a short composition. You are expected to take the idea, embody it in a proverb, a quotation, a saying, a slogan, or the headlines of a newspaper report and elaborate on it. Now we'll see expansion of themes. Presentation of expansion. Expansion of the theme or an idea should have a proper beginning and an ending. The idea should flow effortlessly. Do not begin your composition by saying the given proverb means that. Let the meaning come through your explanation or the examples and in your summing up. The various exercises given in this slide, you have to read and you have to write it. Now, the first we'll see from the textbook based topics, slogans, proverbs, and reflective thought. Now, marking scheme. First, title and proper beginning, 1 mark. Elaboration of the idea, subject, theme, 2 marks. Use of appropriate grammar and vocabulary, 1 mark. Proper conclusion and layout. Conclusion means proper end up or finish when you finish the theme. So it should be proper, 1 mark. Expand the themes. Health is wealth. So health is wealth means good health is the most valuable thing in the world. What is the use of having pots of money if you do not have the good health to enjoy it? If a man had to choose between health and wealth, a sensible man would choose health. A man who is healthy can always try to amass, that is, gather together wealth. But a man who is wealthy will find it extremely difficult to get back good health. Nowadays, people work very hard to earn more and more money. In the process, they suffer from ailments, illness such as diabetes, high blood pressure, ulcer, etc. This means that they cannot enjoy the wealth they have amassed. They do not spend time with their family and children, missing the precious year of the children's development. When they finally look up, they find that they have lost their health as well as the love of their families. Isn't it better to be content with less money but have good health and a good family? Hence, is the fast world of today, one must consciously make a decision to remain healthy. One must always remember that health is wealth and not vice versa. And the second one is proverb. A stitch in time saves 9. अपने को समय पर ही दिया हुआ काम करना चाहिए, नहीं तो क्या होगा, अपना काम और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा. So this also you have to write in your English writing skill section, okay, according to paragraph wise. And for homework, cleanliness is next to godliness And second, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Now we'll move to a story writing, that is developing a story, how you have to write a story. From nursery we are learning the story and we are narrating the story, but now the few points, outline of the points of the story will be given to you and you have to write the story in detail. That is story writing. How to write or develop a story. If you want to learn how to write a short story, you will have to go through this main steps. So children, this 5-6 steps are there, you have to remember, आपको याद रखना है. Know your character, outline your short story, start with something out of the ordinary, get your draft done as soon as possible, edit your short story, title your short story, get feedback about it and practice often. Children, this point you have to remember, keep it in your mind. If you will not practice and if you will not ask your parents or your friend how I wrote the story, you will never learn how to write a story. Now first one is read the lines given below and complete the story. Children, some few points are given on the yellow line. You have to write in your copy. And the second one is write a story using the given outline and you have to give the suitable title also. So second also you have to write. And homework, again read the following story and complete the story. Give the story a suitable title. So this is your homework. I hope that today the two topics, that is expansion of themes and developing a story, you understood nicely. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.